Construction sites are dangerous places. Thousands of accidents happen every year, leading to injuries, long-term disability, and even fatalities. But these accidents are preventable. In today's video, we will explore the 22 most common construction site accidents, their cause, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. Stick with us to learn how to protect yourself and your team from injuries while working on a construction site. Hey there, welcome to today's video safety videos. If you are involved in construction, whether you are a worker, contractor or site manager, you know how hazardous this environment can be. But what if I told you that most accidents on construction sites are completely preventable? Today we will go over 22 types of construction site accident, discuss their cause and provide actionable safety tips that can save life. Let's get started. In this video, you will learn the 22 most common type of accident on construction site, the root cause of this accident, the safety measure you need to follow to prevent these injuries, how to properly use personal protective equipment, what to do if an accident occurs, and how to respond effectively. The 22 most common construction site accident is first is fall from heights. Falls from height are the numbers one cause of construction related fatalities. Whether from scaffolds, ladders, or roofs, fall can be deadly. To prevent them, always use guardrails, safety nets, and fall arrest system like harness. Make sure all workers are trained on fall protection techniques. Second is struck by object. Falling objects are another common hazards on construction sites. This can happen when tools or materials are not properly secured. To prevent this, ensure all materials are stored securely, use barricades or exclusion zone, and make sure workers wear hard hats at all times. Caught in or between object. Being caught in or between machinery is a terrifying and often fatal accident. To reduce the risk, maintain clear walkway, avoid blocking machinery, and ensure all machines are properly locked out when being served. Fourth is electric shock. Electric shock are a serious danger on construction site. Whether it is due to fault wiring or accidental contact with live wires, the result can be devastating. Always turn off electrical equipment before working on it and ensure all workers are equipped with insulated gloves and footwear. Fifth is cave ions or trench collapse. Trench collapse are one of the most dangerous accidents that can occur on a construction site. To prevent the cave-ins, always use trench box, shoring system, and never work in a trench that is deeper than 5 feet without protection. 6 is lifting injuries. Back injuries and a strain from lifting heavy loads are common. Proper lifting techniques and the use of mechanical lifting equipment can significantly reduce the risk. Workers should be trained in correct body machines and should never lift more than they can safely handle. Seventh is forklift accident. Forklifts are essential on construction site but can be deadly in not used correctly. Ensure forklift drivers are properly trained and always follow speed limits. Additionally, pedestrians should avoid walking near forklifts and warning signs should be placed to indicate forklift activity. It is exposure to hazardous materials. Exposure to hazardous substances like asbestos, silica dust, or lead can lead to long-term health problems. To protect workers, provide proper PPE such as respiratories, gloves, and eye protection. Always follow safety data sheet for handling dangerous materials. And ninth is heat stress or heat stroke. Working in high temperature can lead to heat stress and heat stroke. Ensure workers stay hydrated, take regular breaks, and wear light clothing when possible. A cooling area with fan and water should be provided, especially on hot days. Noise induced hearing loss. Construction sites are often noisy, and prolonged exposure to loud machinery can cause permanent hearing damage. To prevent this, worker must wear earplugs or ear muffs when working with loud equipment, and noise levels should be monitored. Slip, trip, and fall on same level. Slip, trip, and fall on the same level are another common cause of injuries on construction site. To reduce the risk, keep walkway clean, ensure asphalts are cleaned immediately, and avoid leaving tools or material in walkways. Vehicle accident, especially in high traffic area like construction site, can be devastating. Establish vehicle routes, ensure proper training for drivers, and use high visibility vest and flags to alert others when vehicles are in motion. Prevention is key when it comes to construction site accident. Here is how you can reduce the risk. First is training, second PPE, hazard identification, and safety protocol. Training, make sure every worker is properly trained in safety procedure, and PPE, personal protective equipment is essential. Make sure helmet, gloves, goggles, and safety boots are worn at all times. Third is regularly inspect the site for potential hazards and eliminate them immediately. And fourth is establish clear safety guidelines and make sure everyone follow them. And fifth is hold regular safety briefing to remind workers of the risk and how to stay safe. Accident, despite all precaution, can still happen. When they do, there is what you need to do. First, call for help. Alert emergency service immediately. Second step is first aid. Admi- Administer first aid as needed until help arrives. Report the incident. Document the accident and fill out all necessary paperwork. An investigation. Determine the cause of the accident to prevent further accident. Construction site are high risk environments, but with proper safety protocol in place, most accident can be avoided. Make safety a priority and always stay aware of the risk. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe out there and keep building with confidence.